Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video we are going to learn how to change element size in Canva. First step is to open your preferred browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar type in canva.com and this will lead you to a home page of your Canva website. Here on the top right corner you can see create a design button. Click on it and choose a required template. Now after that you can see different options. Here on the left side click on the elements option. Now click on the search bar and search for any elements that you want. Now simply choose your desired element and drag this into the screen. Now here as you can see that this element size is very much larger that I do not want, so you can see this round tip on the edges of this element. Simply drag this and you can reduce the size of the element by following the simple step. Likewise, you can do this from this four corner of the edges, and following the simple and easy step, you have successfully changed the element size in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.